everyone, welcome back to another video of Stuti Studio. So for today's video, I'm trying out a beautiful art form called Lippan art. So let's start with the video quickly, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do it right away and hit that red subscribe button. Also press the bell icon. I got this round MDF base from Amazon. I will link everything on the description below. And I started drawing a random mandala design on it. I know I am not at all good at drawing, but somehow I still completed, and this is how the pattern gonna look like. Now I'm going to paint this MDF base with this chalk paint. As you can see, after applying the paint as well, the design is visible a little bit, which will be my reference, and I will be applying this Fevicol Molted. This Fevicol Molted contains both hardener and resin base. We just have to mix them together and use it. So I'm going to do this mixing process on a different surface. It gets really sticky and it might ruin your tape. I'm only gonna take a small portion of it first. Make sure the quantity you are taking from both of them should be equal. And mix them really well. Apply some powder to your hands and to the surface to reduce the stickiness. After mixing, roll the mixer like this, and now we will apply it to the whole artwork. Take any PVA glue and start applying according to the design. And on top of it, apply your clay very carefully like this. And cut out the extras. This process is going to be really fun, and it's very less time consuming. Do it all the layers of the design carefully. Use a pen or pencil to make the lines properly aligned. So this art form is called Lippan art. This is from the state of Gujarat. People are using this art form traditionally from a very long period of time to decorate their house, doors, etc. Nowadays, I have seen many people making artworks using this art form. So I thought I should also try it once, and trust me guys, this process was super fun, and at least once you should definitely try it out. Once you are done applying the clay, this is how it's gonna look like. Already looking super beautiful, right? Now I'm gonna enhance the design with the help of some colors. And I use some golden, some white and some black color, and this is how it's gonna look like. Now it's time to apply some varnish. Varnish will help you to protect your colors and the whole artwork. Now comes to our last but the most important step, which is the adding of these little mirrors. This Kavya mirrors, I again got this from Amazon. There are 4 shapes in here and I'm randomly going to place it all over my artwork. These little mirrors will change the whole look of your artwork. And lastly, little more extra detailing, and that's it. This looks super stunning and very satisfying. I'm in love with this art form. I hope you guys loved it too. See you on my next video. Bye bye.